In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Looker Studio report with your client. We'll walk through the various methods available, from direct email invitations to convenient link sharing, and even embedding into websites. With these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly collaborate with your clients and colleagues. Let's start by inviting your client via email. First, open your report in edit mode and look for the share icon, which is usually shaped like a person with a plus sign, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will open the Share with People and Groups dialog. Here, you need to enter your client's email address or, if more appropriate, a Google Group address. Next, it's time to decide on the level of access you wish to grant. If you select Can View, your client will be able to read and interact with the report but won't be able to make any modifications. On the other hand, selecting Can Edit permits full editing, scheduling, and sharing capabilities. If you're aiming for convenience, you might choose to deselect Notify People if you don't want the system to send an email prompt automatically. Once you've set these preferences, just click Send to finalize this step. Do remember, for your client to access the report, they'll need to sign into Looker Studio using a Google account. For those without a Google account, a simple workaround is using link sharing options, which we'll explore next. Now, if you'd rather skip the direct email invitations, using link sharing is another excellent way to provide access. To do this, open the Share dialog again and navigate to Link Settings. Here, several options will be at your disposal. A frequently chosen option is Anyone with the link can view, which provides a broader reach while maintaining control over who can see the report. You also have the choice of setting it so that anyone with the link can either edit or view. You could even go for anyone on the internet, but this is generally not recommended when dealing with sensitive information. Alternatively, you can leave it set to Off, only specific people can access, for more rigorous control. Once you've configured these settings to your preference, just copy the link and send it to your client. Depending on your settings, the client may not need a Google account to view the report. And finally, let's explore a few additional sharing options you might consider. For periodic updates, you could schedule PDF deliveries that send the report directly to your client's inbox at regular intervals. There's also the option to download it as a PDF for manual distribution via email or to print out a hard copy. If your report needs to be more interactive or integrated into existing platforms, consider embedding it in a website using an iframe link, great for Google Sites, blogs, or client portals. And for team communication, you can easily share the report link within apps like Slack, LinkedIn, or other internal platforms. By using these options, you can ensure that your Looker Studio reports are viewed and utilized exactly where they need to be.